Hello, and welcome to the 2024 edition of the 12 Adoptable Pets of the Holiday Season. I'm Reagan McCauley from Curie Canine Massage. Today we have a parrot from the Parrot Sanctuary. Check out more information on the Parrot Sanctuary just below this video.
Fly off for a second.
Do they need to go together, these two, when they're adopted? Yeah. Okay, so they're bonded?
Yes. He's saying cacahuète, which is French for peanut.
Oh!
Cacahuète? Oh, Calvin. That's me. Hello.
I don't have any. Don't poop into the camera. Thank you so much to the Parrot Sanctuary. Happy holidays, and I look forward to finding forever flocks for all of these parrots.